Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unrestrict someone on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unrestrict someone on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on it, and over here on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on it, and over here scroll down until you can find the restricted option. Over here you can see just below the sharing and remixes. Tap on the restricted, and over here tap on continue, and all of your restricted accounts will be over here. Now in order to unrestrict, simply tap on the unrestrict and that account will be unrestricted. And there guys, this is how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.